Hi, AT from CNC at Home. A while back, as in a year plus ago, I made some coasters for my brother-in-law to have by the pool. Since then, the pool is no more. That was all torn out due to many issues, we'll say. And I talked with him about redoing the coasters. What we decided on was to basically cross out the word pool, because it said poolside, and we'll replace that with the word fire. And this cool little propane fire accent thing. You can sit out in the evening and enjoy. So I am going to do that. I'm going to use the new titanium dioxide method, see how that works, where we just paint on a mixture of titanium dioxide and denatured alcohol. Let the alcohol evaporate off, which leaves a nice thin coating of titanium dioxide, and then burn that on the laser. Instead of doing just the one tile where I needed to cross off the word pool and put in fire, I'm just going to do a whole new set. That way the contrast and the color will match pretty well. Let's head over to the laser and see how that turned out. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I have 4 tiles coated in the titanium dioxide, and I'm going to attempt to make 4 coasters at the same time. Let's hope it works. First thing we'll do is we'll create the border. We'll do a frame to make sure everything is fitting on the tiles, and then we'll go ahead and start the burn. Before we start the burn, I'll do a quick frame to make sure that the tiles and the laser are aligned properly. Looks like they are. So let's go ahead and start the burn. Now that the burn is complete, it looks like this turned out pretty well. We'll see once we clean off that titanium dioxide. On the back side, I'm going to do a quick focus for the height of the cork, and then do a burn of the CNC logo on each one of these. First I'll do a frame to make sure that everything's lined up and the logos are going to be about where they need to be. That looks pretty good, so we'll go ahead and start the burn. You may have seen I snuck a tile in over there on the lower left. That was because I have 5 of these. The end result turned out pretty well. There was a slight error, or not an error, I was just not paying attention in light burn when I combined the letters and my cross out mark, and it did kind of a weird thing. Easy enough to correct, to just combine those together, and this is more what I was looking for. I'll leave it up to my brother-in-law to decide which one they want to use. If you like this project, give it a thumbs up. It was kind of fun revisiting this and using our new method for etching. It really leaves a nice black heavy coat on there. This is the titanium oxide method. If you enjoy the content of our channel, think about subscribing. Enjoy doing your CNC at home projects. Oops.